Hi guys, today we bring you a brand new site in Barnsley. Full site review coming very soon. Details to this new site are in the description below. Today's objective is to get to the church, secure it, because we've got a bomb inside that the enemy team have to come and capture and set off. If the enemy team manages to get into the church and set the bomb off, it's game over for that objective. We lost the church a couple of times, but they never managed to set the bomb off and we took it back. Enough talking from me, enjoy the gameplay.
I didn't see it there.
Did a bit, dude.
Alright. Careful. Give me one.
Hit! Nice one, guys. I'm in the right fucking position there.
Not in my dog.
Who's this? You have to make it quick, love. I'm in a firefight. I've got him, he's dead.
Yeah, that's 2 inches. Anybody else jumping in?
Yeah, I'm going with that Marshals.
That's where I'm going. 3, 2, 1.
How much fire are you getting through this door? I see more movement through here. I'm in. Don't forget, keep eyes on that side, lads.
Guys, keep eyes on that side.
Literally, Carl, that direction.
I can't see that direction.
I can only jump behind you. Oh, where most of them are coming from?
Guys, most coming from left hand side in front of church.
You got any red tape on, fella? No risk, pal.
Carl, I'm going to have a peek through this window. If you see anybody around there, just keep their head down for me.
Someone's here. Devon! Someone's here.
Someone's where?
See ya. I'll put your left foot and go.
Runner!
Yep.
Right next to me outside.
Yeah, I've got Kev's left covered because he comes outside. We do have guys behind us as well. Anybody got a good aim? Get in here! Where is it, Carl?
Got a grenade, I've got a grenade. Straight outside where I am.
Marshals stepping out! No kill!
Check that window. Guys, Ross, keep that covered. Fuck me up, man.
You alright?
Yeah, good.
Marshall!
That's so pretty.
Behave yourself, mate. Come on.
Left side. Push it.
Now I've got you behind left covered, mate.
Fucking hell.
Oh, these are bouncing all over me.
Carl, you got my front?
Whatever you want now.
Okay. You have it leftovers. Are you aiming through that window, Connor?
Gary, where are you? Gary.
Fucking Jesus. Caught that right at last second.
All the enemies in front of that church, yeah?
Watch out for that window, man.
Which one?
That one you're up there. Carl's big fingers there.
Coming down straight ahead of us there. Fucking rail gone up here.
Oh, hello.
Hey.
You guys still got that side?
Yeah, give me a bit of cover.
Where are you going?
Go.
Whoa. Fucking hell.
Yeah, watch your back.
Sorry, mate.
One up there.
I'm looking down here. There's somebody down here. I don't know where he is.
That sniper.
Fucking hell.
Oi.
That's why give my shooting.
Yeah, but I've got to do it to get it off. Wash your head, Marshall. Don't get up.
I'm not. Trust me.
Fucking how far did sniper get to us?
Oh, it's fucking sniper.
He was fucking right there. Sneaky bastard. Do you think if you stick your head up there, Connor, you're going to get it? Because you're probably best positioned to get him in there.
Push him right.
Get that.
Push him what?
Push him right.
What's your right side?
Is there David Picker in here? No. Not where I am, no. It's fucking fine, I haven't worried about asking for names.
You're there, mate. What's your name?
Your dad's come to pick you up though.
Your
mum's off your team's ready.
Stop playing soldiers now, it would be your friends.
Stop playing down and put them sticks down.
Connor.
Wait, what just happened?
No, what if it's right here? Clear, Kev.
Clear.
Keep an eye behind you.
Someone up top.
12. Tree line. Keep an eye on the tree line. No, you can't get in because they're down there. Just want to let it run.
Sorry about that, pal. That was quite a lot.
Yeah, lay him out. This guy right there.
Connor! Right in the
Where are you looking?
right up front, it's just sitting
Oh yeah,
through here.
there's it.
You are?
Guys, remember, stand back, stand up tall. Repeat, stand back, stand up tall.
What are we doing here? Do we just have to hold it or what?
Yeah. Basically.
Right, we don't need so many inside then, do we really? We could start getting some right perimeter.
Hey, everyone, we don't all need to be inside. Why don't we scatter out perimeter? Otherwise we're going to get, you're all going to get nailed.
One grenade.
Yeah, one grenade's gonna have you all.
We'll throw the grenade in there, you're all fucked. Get out and make a perimeter. Not move out of it.
Yeah, two on each corner.
Because we've got like 4 out here. Woo! Fuck
The fuck for that?
Dirty bastard.
Hey!
Hi.
Yep.
See one there. There's one coming round to you, mate, on left. Right, Carl, there's a few coming round on your left, mate.
Right, come on left hand side.
Go on, take a few down there. He's running. Snipers rush over building side at Land Rover. Oh. Where? Come in. Watch your right, come right. Hit! Hit! Ow. Flowers are about Danny and all the rest of them are out. You bastard. I didn't know how close you was. You fuck.
Oh, you sneak!
I was waiting. I didn't know how many there was. You would have got me anyway. Well done.
You covered up blending with rest on it.
Did I get your blind fire?
Oi, you fucking does.
We walked past him.
Oh, like, he did it me. That's different.
You was on top of me.
Yeah.
That's what you're looking down at ground for.
I don't know about